Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to join a family on BIGO Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your BIGO Live application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you're right here, if you look carefully, you see this family option. Tap on the family option right there, and then you have to scroll down just a little bit, and then you find the families to join on BIGO Live. So you just have to click on the join button to join any of this. So once you click on that, it will take a few days or a few hours to process, right? So you just have to wait. All right, so guys, this is how you can actually join family on BIGO Live. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.